Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Frontech multimedia headphones. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the headphones right in the middle, the Frontech multimedia branding on the top, and underneath that we can see the exact model number, which is HF-3442. Underneath the picture of the headphones, we have some of the salient features which include a microphone, adjustable mic boom, adjustable height, and leather cushion. On the right hand side of the package, we have some of the key specifications. So let's go through that as quickly as we can. The speaker size is 40 mm, frequency range is 20 to 20 kilohertz. Speaker impedance is 32 ohms with a variance of plus or minus 15%. Speaker sensitivity is 105 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels. A microphone impedance is 2.2 kilo ohms, and the wire length is 1.8 meters long approximately. Here we have some information regarding the warranty as well, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. And here we can see that the wired multimedia headphone is compatible with 3.5 mm audio jack interface. Underneath the specifications, we have some importing and manufacturing information, and below that we have some information regarding the customer care. The left hand side of the package is pretty much the same as the right hand side. The top has some Frontech multimedia branding, the bottom is blank, and the back is the exact same as the front. So that's about it in terms of what is out on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. In the box, all we get is the headset itself. We can see that it has a matte black theme going for it, and there is matte black finishing all across the plastic surfaces of the headphone, except on the ear cup where there is a bit of shiny black finishing. While on the subject of the ear cups, we can see that it is quite soft, and there is some Frontech branding on the sides. The microphone is also quite adjustable, and it has approximately 120 degrees of rotation. It is of the gooseneck type, so it is extremely flexible, so it can be adjusted into a comfortable position. The headband is adjustable as well, and as we can see here, it can fit a plethora of head sizes, and the inside of the headband is made from plastic. On top, we have some cushioning on each side of the headband, and it is quite flexible as well. Coming to the cable, we already know that it is approximately 1.8 meters long. At the end of the cable, we have two 3.5 mm audio jacks. One is for the microphone, which is the pink one, and one is for the headphone, which is the green one. Both jacks are of the TRS kind. We also have an inline control unit right here, which has a volume control wheel, and here we can see which direction the wheel needs to be turned in order to increase or decrease the volume. When it comes to compatibility, devices that have a 3.5 mm jack should be compatible. For the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone. To get started, all we need to do is connect, and it is the headset is ready to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Frontech multimedia headphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.